Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to use the Rednote app right here in America. Step 1. Download the app. First, head to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Rednote. Download and install the app on your device. Step 2. Create an account. Once installed, open the app. You'll need to create an account. You can sign up using your email or connect through your social media accounts for quicker access. Step 3. Explore the interface. After logging in, take a moment to explore the interface. You'll find sections for trending notes, genres, and your personal library. Step 4. Search for music notes. To find specific music notes, use the search bar at the top. Type in the song or artist you're looking for, and browse through the results. Step 5. Create your own notes. Want to share your own music notes? Tap the Create button. You can input your notes manually or upload a file. Don't forget to add relevant tags to help others find your work. Step 6. Engage with the community. Rednote is all about community. You can like, comment on, and share notes from other users. Engage with fellow musicians and provide feedback. Step 7. Stay updated. Make sure to check the notifications for any updates, new followers, or comments on your notes. Thank you for watching. You're now ready to dive into the world of music notes with Rednote. Enjoy sharing your passion for music and connecting with others. Happy note-taking!